You like that doll? Is that why you're lighting it up? Or trying to drain its energy? I hope I didn't lose that video.
No, you
I didn't see it when it stopped. See, now they stop. That's weird. Can you touch the doll's head again, light up its eyes?
If you are a demon, you should be able to touch that.
We don't know it's a demon. If you are a demon, can you light it up? If you want Mike, can you light up the doll's eyes?
You want Ryan?
Hey, you're not giving it time. Very strange they're not doing it now that I moved it. Light up the doll's head if you want to have sex with Mike tonight.
Who's gonna bring that up? I think you're
That's because they bring it up. Plus you always turn around on me, so what are you talking about? Isn't that what you come here for, to have an experience?
Not that.
Are you afraid?
No, you are.
I think you're afraid. You're going to be alone. You gonna scare Mike tonight, spirits? Can you light up the doll for yes? Hello? You still there? Oh, you scared me.
But that's a short right now.
Let me just make sure it's still... It's still going.
Come on, stupid darn phone.
I don't know why it's prolonged like that. Stop.
You don't think it's like glitching out, do you?
I don't know. I mean, look at your phone. Your phone was acting weird too. Stop touching the doll.
I would say
Or back away.
guys.
Oh, see, it stopped. Oh,
Spirits.
now it's back to doing it again. Do you like that doll? Can you make it fall? Can you knock it off the chair? Or make it slide down the chair or something? I don't know if you have the energy to do that. Can you spirits knock the doll over or make it slide? Move the doll. Make it fall. Well, that thing is lit up at very few places, just Hill House and here I can
No,
think of.
and the Airbnb in Virginia City.
Oh, did it?
Yeah,
I don't remember. Which one? Oh, the Airbnb in Virginia City.
yeah, you're bad too.
I was thinking of Jackson.
You're in the shitter.
That's right, that's right. Huh. I can't figure it out. Can you back away? Stop touching the doll, please.
What was that noise?
Yeah, what was that? I don't know what that was. It's not like that metallic sound. Can you knock the doll over? Can you knock the doll over, please?
I spelled La.Quinta again. L-A-Q-U.
I-N-T-A.
Sounds like the device is.
It does sound like it's dying, so I'm wondering if they're trying to drain it. Maybe I'll just turn it off.
I would.
You don't have any spare 9 volts, do you?
That's all on the equipment.
What's even sounding weird? Now it's not doing it. Oh, spoke too soon. Mr. Slasher Spirit, if you're here, can you knock over the doll? Pretend like it's Cheryl. I think they're draining it.
They are. It's gonna stop.
Are you mustering energy for tonight with Mikey? You gonna show him a good time? What was that?
What was that? That was weird.
You heard that little tick noise?
Yeah. Could be the one outside too.
What?
Remember that tree's right next outside of us too.
It sounds like it's in this room. The noises we're hearing. And notice the doll's not doing anything now. I should have a flash going on here, see if there's any orbs. Show yourself! Can you come by this doll? Can we see you, please? Are you videoing?
No.
You're not videoing?
I'm waiting
No.
for that video to download.
Any spirits, can you go touch the doll? Yeah, see, I think it's paranormal. There's no real...
Oh, well, it's making a weird ass sound though.
Yeah. Unless they completely killed the battery. Let me touch it again. Nope. That's paranormal.
Yeah, but when it sets like that, it should only be for like 2 seconds.
Yeah, I know, but they don't light it up at home, so I can't say for sure. Ooh, there's an orb. Stop. Enough. Stop touching the doll. Oops, something went by it again. Little orb. You can't knock the knock the doll over. Speaking of dog, I should probably check on her. Plus, I still gotta get up pretty early. What was that?
It's definitely outside.
You don't think?
No, I think definitely it's under the door.
I don't know. It sounds like something thrown, like rocks or something. You guys gonna get Mikey tonight?
We're gonna develop.
What time is it?
7:40.
7:40. Maybe 9.
Oh, I didn't ask what time breakfast is that.
She said 6 to 9, I think.
Even if I miss like that night donuts over there.
What was that?
Even if I miss like a night donuts over there on the table.
Oh, no, I'm good.
No, I said if I miss it.
Oh.
Night donuts.
I don't know, you mumble, so I can't tell what you're saying half the time.
Well, I told you every time I lay on that side.
Yeah. Stop. Knock it off.
So like when I'm talking to you, this is how I talk to you at home.
I know. And you mumble.
But when I'm upright, I'm good. Plus, I think it's giving me a headache.
The doll?
Yep.
I'm gonna turn it off. Bitch. Where's your battery pack?